Hi, welcome to Best Sewing in Back, Jacksonville, Florida. I'm Rosemarie, and I'm going to show you a function on the Stellaire 2. This one is an XJ2, which has sewing and embroidery. It also comes in an XE2, which is an embroidery-only machine. So I'm going to show you the resizing on this one. So I'm just going to pull in a butterfly that's in the machine. I'm going to set it. I'm going to go to the edit, hit the size button. Now normally you would just size it, and I'm going to do it proportionally, making it larger, and with that you can click it so many times before it stops, and that's all you can do with that button, and it comes out just a little bigger than 5x7. But if you hit this button here at the very top, you can actually hold this button down and make it so much bigger. So now your design is over 9 1/3 inches wide by just over 7 inches tall. So you can also rotate that design and make it a little bit bigger too. So that is the resizing on this, which is wonderful. So you can either do it proportionately that way, or you can hit this top corner button and make it even larger. Thanks for watching. Come visit Best Sewing, Jacksonville, Florida.